So now we're going to do this application, arc length. So the arc length subtended by angle theta on a circle of radius r is given by this formula. S is used to, means the arc length. S equals r times the absolute value of theta. Now if theta is positive, the angle is positive, then S equals r theta. See, the thing is, if theta is negative, we don't want our arc length, since it's a length, we don't want it to be negative. The radius is always positive, so that's why we have to have the absolute values in there. Or just think of it as, if the angle is negative, make it positive, take the absolute value of it, okay? I think the book is a formula S equals r theta, but that's not right if theta is negative, right? Because our arc length is never going to be negative. So think of a circle with radius r. I'm just explaining why this formula works. Its circumference is 2 pi r. That's a formula for, right? C equals 2 pi r, a formula for circumference of a circle. This is the arc length of the angle theta equals 2 pi on the circle. Now, if you replace the angle 2 pi, remember that's in radians, with a positive angle theta, then you just replace the 2 pi in the theta equals 2 pi formula. Theta equals 2 pi. Replace the 2 pi, I'm sorry, wrong one. This one up here. Circumference is 2 pi r. 2 pi is the angle, right? It's in radians. Replace that angle with theta, and you get the arc length. They just wrote the theta second instead of first. So you can think of it as theta times r if you want. So if it's pi, if theta is pi, then you get pi r. So it's half of the circumference of the entire circle, because it would be half of the circle, right? If you want to go pi around, angle pi around. Okay, so that's all that is. You just have to remember that you need a positive angle, or take the absolute value if it's a negative angle. So for example, if the radius is 8 centimeters, and this is the radius of a circle, and theta equals 3 pi over 4, what's the arc length of the arc subtended by this angle? Well, you just take the product of the two. It's that simple. And so you get 6 pi. Centimeters. And why is it centimeters? Because the radians is given here in centimeters.